Hi, my name is Carlos Ramirez with the Santana team. We're excited to bring you 27 Hancock Street, Unit 2 in Medford. Let's go take a look at this top floor unit. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath with all the upgrades of a full gut renovation. You will be in a great location close to Tufts University, Medford Center, the Green Line extension, and easy Highway 93 access. Thanks for checking out this unit today. We look forward to seeing you at an open house this weekend. For more information, check out santanateam.com.